Happy Easter, Olivia. Olivia. What is that? Is that VeggieTales?
I don't know what you like.
Animal crackers. Animal cookies. What else is in there? Bubbles. We got bubbles. That was just to hold stuff in. Oh, looks like something fell. Oops. That's the coloring.
What is this? What is this?
What is it? Can I see? Oh, you found an egg. It's an egg, not a ball. What's this? Oh, you don't throw it. Here. Olivia, look. What's this? Olivia. Why don't... Okay, you want to look for eggs now already? You already found two. Come here. Olivia, put the eggs in here. Put the eggs in here. Here, like this.
Mama.
Elmo, is that Elmo egg? Can you put it in here? Are there any more eggs? Do you see any more eggs? Oh, put it in here. Do you see any more eggs? Are there any more eggs around? Oh, you found that now. It's watercolors. But we're looking for eggs. Do you see any more eggs? Look around. Look around. Olivia.
Mama, what do you
Did you find another one? Put them in here.
Mama.
Elmo. There's more Elmo eggs. You gotta find them. Are there any more eggs? Are there any more eggs? Can you look? Wow, you're good. Are there any more?
I like this.
Are there any more eggs? Why don't you look in your truck?
Yeah.
Look in your truck. Olivia. Olivia. Go look in your truck.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Not choo-choo. Olivia, I think there's a couple more eggs still. Did Chuck find an egg? Go look by the stroller. Go find the egg. Do you see any more eggs? Kitty cat. No more eggs? Is there another Elmo one anywhere? Is there one?
Shoe.
Shoe.
Oh, there was shoe. Mama. Right there.
Those are your shoes to wear today. No more eggs? Olivia, no more eggs? Okay, let's get the rest of the eggs. Here, put the eggs in here. Oh, yeah, you finally found that one. Good, now put all the eggs in there.
Yeah.
Do you see any more?
Oh.
Are there any over there? Go look over there too. Can you look in your doll stroller? Is that Elmo over there, Olivia? Is that Elmo? Totally missing it. There you go. Whoa. Okay, is that all you can find? Olivia. Olivia? Oh, did that one of them open? Okay, can you say bye-bye? Olivia, say bye-bye. Look. Can you say, Olivia? Say bye-bye. Fishy. Olivia. Bye-bye. Oh! I was sitting right in front of one. Oops. Okay. Bye. Happy Easter.
Hello.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say happy. Can you say happy? Say happy. Okay, bye-bye.